Find, if possible, the number of elements in sets A, B, and C using the given information. If there is an inconsistency, state where it occurs. Okay. All right, so I've got 3 sets, A, B, and C. But the very first piece of information that they give me is that A intersect B is the empty set, which tells me that circle A and circle B do not touch at all. They're the empty set. Actually, they call that disjoint sets. They don't touch at all. But then I'm told that the cardinal number of A intersect C is 12. I'm also told that the cardinal number of B intersect C is 10. So right there I know that circle C touches both A and B, and so right now I'm just gonna draw it like that. Actually, that's not a very good drawing. Let me make it a little bigger. Give more space. There we go. Okay. So A intersect C would be this little area here, and there is 12 in that. This is circle C. And then B intersect C is this region, and there's 10 in there. Okay, and then it tells me that C take away A is 12, but A take away C is 11. I'm going to do that one first because that's less complicated. The cardinal number of A take away C. A, circle A, if you take away C, you'd be removing this pink part so that all you'd be left with is this. The crescent moon shape. That is circle A, and I've removed the pink part. So the yellow part is A take away C, and that's where 11 would be. Now, this one's a little tougher. C take away A is 12. Okay. C take away A, let me make that a little smaller. C take away A is going to be, here's all of C, but when you get over here, you're taking out A. So inside that purple outline, there should be a total of 12, but I've already got 10 in the blue area, which means the rest of this has to be 2. So the rest of this purple has to be just 2 because you've already got 10 right here in that blue area. So all of that, all of this right here, and then over here, you know, that's, but you can't have any of A in there. That's supposed to be a total of 12. And then the only other piece of information that they give me is they tell me what the universal set is. The universal set has to be 35. Well, right now, I've got 2 places that are missing. I don't know what is in this crescent moon, and I don't know what's out here. But if you add the 11, the yellow 11, the pink 12, the blue 10, and the 2 in the purple, that adds up to 35. You've already got every single element in this picture. So that means there are no elements here and no elements out there. And so now I can answer the question. What's the cardinal number of A? Well, A has an 11 and a 12, so that is 23. B is just the 10. It's actually 10 plus 0. And then C is the 12 plus the 10 plus the 2. And that is 24.